going to come a point in your life when you realize that life just seems to be the same. I'm never getting ahead, and I'm never making more money, I'm never finding true love, I'm never living. And you can continue to do that day after day. But at some point, your conscious meets with your subconscious, and your higher self aligns with your lower self, and you take a stand. You start to listen to your inner self, and you begin that healing process. They say life is supposed to be easy. So why do we make it hard? Why do we keep contributing to the pain that distorts everything around us? We need to self-reflect. We need to heal. We need to call for guidance from our higher self. Make the connection between the two and embrace whatever it is your higher self wants you to embrace. It's not going to be the same for everybody. Everybody has their own inner demons. Everybody has their own struggles, their fears, their worries. But it all starts from within. To find that inner balance. We need to recognize and dissect the issue before it sets root, before it embeds itself into our system, before it takes over who we are and who we were, and culminates a new image solely based on that fear itself. Your body will tell you when it's time to change. The heart always knows. But will the brain listen? Are we so much guarded these days? Is our heart so jaded that we can't listen to the heart? We can't hear from the heart. Everybody's on edge. Everybody has this ego and this power trip. I can't blame it on you, and I can't blame it on me. I can tell you who's contributing, though. It's the phone that's in your hand. When's the last time you put it down? When's the last time you went outside without your phone in your pocket? Why must you feel connected? I'll tell you why. Because these inventions that are so great, that make our lives so easy, they do so much more. They dull your senses. In this ever-changing society, the one thing we're not doing is evolving with it. If anything, I hate to say it, but our ancestors are probably a lot smarter than we were without the technology that we have today. How did they do it? I'll tell you how they did it. They took the time to quiet the mind. They took the time to listen to their inner self. And when they listened to their inner self, they realized that their dreams became the reality. And in that moment, in that creation of that dream, they didn't have social media to knock them down. They didn't have trolls. They didn't have people that were just out there with they were so miserable in their lives that they had the urge to make everybody else's lives miserable, because that's not what life is. No. Life is ascension. So take back what's truly yours. Take back what you ultimately own and no one can take. And that's yourself. That's your dreams. That's your destiny. Every soul has an urge. Every soul has a voice. Every soul has their own unique beginning and end. But you, the creator, are the one who writes the book in which lies the words within. So rip out the old script, crumble it up and throw it out. Write a new one, knowing that you're unstoppable. Embrace life in all its beauty. Help one another, love one another, cherish one another. Offer a hand when a hand is not asked to be offered. Offer charity, even if you don't have enough to give. See, charity isn't only money. You could offer healing through advice. You could offer healing through wisdom. And I'll tell you what, the reward, you won't even know. It's so blissful. Just be yourself. Be your true self. Listen to your soul. Listen to your heart. Find the balance. And when you do, you will see the rewards and you will gain your abundance. Just know that I love you.